Today, we are creating an electric drift bike that was assembled out of junk. There's an electric motor inside. That is a simple 12 volts car starter. And it has enough power to accelerate this small bike well, because there is 1.5 kilowatts. And these wheels were made using a unique technology. These wheels are made of a usual but very heavy sewer pipe. It is clamped between these rubber discs. It weighs as much as an elephant. Check this out, these windows are tinted so hard, oh my! Oh man, you really can't imagine how much attention this car attracts here. Well, we only need to source some power here, and we can start our experiments. It isn't going to blow up, right? Do it!
Обалдеть! Да ты шо?
Let me try to ride this crazy power. And legs on. No, legs are lower. There, near the accumulator.
Сюда? Сюда.
I felt like I was going to turn around like this. But it levels off every time. That's too much drifting for me. What's with the temperature? It's sparkling here. The starter is cold itself. Yeah, it is. And the output is even colder. There, the wire is really hot. Now you can see it's been burning here. I've never done anything like this, so I'm trying it for the first time. You will like it. Oh my god, how are you now? Firstly, I was dazed with the vibration came to my ears because of these wheels, and I was like, what hell? Tell us, what is this drift bike built from? This is a former part of a Honda scooter. This steering wheel is self-crafted, and I used here a half-inch tube. The seat is handmade too, I've made it out of a solid sheet of steel. Talking about the back part, I have welded them off the tubes too. The shape was already right when I found them. You know about the wheels already, it's a simple plastic sewer pipe. Wait, tell me more about these side wheels. Those are from an old shopping cart. My granny used to push it. They were exactly like mine. Do you remember these wheels, right? Yeah, it's like the wheels from an old Soviet granny cart. And this sprocket is from the Ants reductor, if you remember right. The throttle is made to be very alike the bicycle's one, and the handle is from a bicycle, a wire, the ending clamping for stop, and the two wires in here. So it works exactly like the car starter system works. There's a proverb. From sticks and shit, we can make a drift bike. And there comes the final ride. Alright, let's drive!
Давай, сейчас будет. Давай, вторую. Ждем.
Holy bike! Film it! He's nuts! Oh no, he's coming here! This guy, right? Tell me something. The future sucks.
Хреново!
That was hell. I was riding and watching the fire around. And I was pressing the throttle like crazy. Oh my god, that was cool, I tell you. Alright, give me 5, bro. Good job. That was awesome. People may think, what the hell happened on the road here? Did someone came from future? What the hell this Kreosan was doing here again? Good job, everyone. See you. Thank you too. Yeah, give 5, bro.
Хорош.